Hello, how's everyone doing on this fine day today? Today we're going to be unboxing an exciting new watch, and this is the Oris Momotaro collaboration watch. And you can see here, it's got a special gray box made just for this watch. All right, let's get into this guy here. And first thing we see here is this little paper insert. It's actually a heavy stock, very nice. And there you got the Momotaro jeans logo and the Oris logo right underneath it. Very cool when you open the box to see that right away. And here you got the story about the collaboration. And on the other side, you have Momotaro himself there. Now, if you don't know, Momotaro is a folk hero in Japanese mythology. Momotaro translates into Peach Boy. Peach Boy is a hero, much like our Hercules here in the Western Hemisphere. So some large ogres were attacking his city, and his city is Osaka, Japan. And he had some friends, a dog, a monkey, and a pheasant. Together they went on adventures and defeated the ogres and saved the city. So here you got a cool polishing cloth that comes with the watch. Very neat presentation, but let's get to the more exciting part. Let's go check out this watch and this specially made Momotaro jean case. You can see here the stripes. For Momotaro, they say earning your stripes, and stripe is kind of a thing with their brand. Momotaro makes handmade jeans, and as you can see here, exquisite craftsmanship, and it is truly exceptional. The collaboration watch here is based on a Diver 65 design, stainless steel with bronze, and it's going to have a green face. And I'm glad they went with green instead of going too much on the nose and having a blue face with the jeans. And here you go, you can feel the inside of it, it's nice and soft. You got a little bit of peach there, and here we go. You got looks like a little wallet in there. And you can see the watch peeking right there. But give me a second, I'll pull this guy out. Here's the wallet. Now the watch, being an Oris, is a mechanical watch, an automatic watch. It is also 100-meter water resistance. Here you got the warranty card here and the little wallet holder. And very nice little addition there. Again, the fine stitching. The crystal on the Diver 65 on this watch is a sapphire domed crystal. And let's take a look here. And here we go. This watch is awesome. The cool green here on the dial is a pleasant change from the darker, more Kelly type greens you see in a lot of watches nowadays. And it's almost got like a faded sunburst feel to it. And you can see the bronze on the markers and on the hands, and the bronze along the bezel. So Momotaro jeans got their name from Momotaro, the hero I was speaking about before. And the boy was born out of a peach, and that's why his translated name means Peach Boy. So the jeans took this name because of the legend of Momotaro and how much high esteemed the story is told. So they make luxury handmade jeans, and you can see here on the stitching, very nice. Now let's take some time and enjoy the watch. So here we have the wrist shot of the watch. My wrist is about a 7.5-inch wrist, and you can see it fits nicely. It's got the vintage feel because it's a Diver 65, but then at the same time it goes forward and it feels nice because of the jean design on the watch band. The stripes are a cool thing to see on the watch strap. Now let's take this into the dark and check out the lume on the watch. There you go, nice lume. It's got the faded lume so it looks more vintage, but all in all, still very cool. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one, y'all.